I so enjoy about once or twice a year making a big pound cake or a cheesecake. The only thing is, I cannot eat all of it, so I like to freeze part of these big baked goods that I'll make. And that way I can enjoy them later. So with the pound cake, I will let it cool overnight, resting in some tea towels. I just think it freezes better that way. Then I will take little wedges and wrap them in cling wrap. And out of one tube pan, I can usually get about 8 wedges. This is just the way I like to break it down. So this time I'm going to freeze about 7, and I'll have one that I'll just go ahead and eat, and the family will just enjoy. Maybe I ate 2, I don't know. But at any rate, they will fit very snug into a freezer bag, like a gallon freezer bag. I'll zip that right up, and these will go into the freezer. And I just think that pound cake is so much better after it's been frozen. I don't know why, but it just is. So even if you're making a pound cake for later, go ahead and freeze it and let it thaw a few hours before you intend to eat it, maybe about 5 or 6 hours even. So when I want to enjoy a piece, I will let it sit on the counter for about 10 minutes. I still like it a little cold, and I'll just take off a little sliver, then wrap up the rest of the little wedge and keep that on my counter for later, or for anyone else in the family that wants to enjoy it too. And there you go. So I hope you guys can give this a try soon. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day.